The trading envelopes indicator is a technical analysis tool used to identify potential buy and sell signals in financial markets. It involves plotting two lines, or envelopes, above and below a moving average, usually a simple or exponential moving average, at a set distance. These envelopes create a band around the price, helping traders understand potential price fluctuations within a range and identify overbought or oversold conditions. Key components: 1. Moving average centerline. This is the basis line, typically set as a moving average. It smooths out price action and provides a central reference for the envelopes. 2. Envelopes. The envelopes are two lines set at a fixed percentage above and below the moving average. For example, if the moving average is 50, the envelopes may be set at 3% above and below it. The percentage distance can be adjusted based on market volatility. Functions of the trading envelopes indicator. 1. Identify market trends. The indicator helps highlight trends. Prices trading consistently near the upper envelope suggest a bullish trend, while prices near the lower envelope suggest a bearish trend. 2. Overbought and oversold conditions. When the price reaches the upper envelope, it may indicate overbought conditions, suggesting a potential reversal or pullback. Conversely, when the price hits the lower envelope, it may indicate oversold conditions, signaling a potential buying opportunity. 3. Potential entry and exit signals. Traders can use the envelopes to time entries and exits. For instance, a move above the upper envelope might signal a selling opportunity, while a move below the lower envelope might signal a buying opportunity. 4. Volatility analysis. The distance between the envelopes reflects the market's volatility. Wider envelopes suggest higher volatility, while narrower envelopes suggest lower volatility. How to use buy signal. When the price approaches or dips below the lower envelope, some traders may see this as a buying opportunity. Sell signal. When the price reaches or moves above the upper envelope, it may signal a potential selling opportunity.